Mastering AI-powered integrations, building with DocuSign Developer AI Assistant. Navigating the complexities of building robust integrations can feel like a daunting task, especially when you're dealing with unfamiliar platforms. While vibe coding, relying heavily on AI tools like GitHub Copilot, has become incredibly popular. It's not always the best approach, particularly for production-level integrations. But here's where it gets interesting. There are AI tools designed to bridge the gap between quick prototyping and full-scale development. Imagine you're tasked with integrating DocuSign into your application. You might be tempted to dive straight into writing code, guided by the suggestions of an AI tool. However, doing so without a solid understanding of the platform's capabilities and limitations can lead to suboptimal results. Especially when it comes to selecting the right APIs or features, large language models, LLMs, might not always have the most current or accurate information. This is why having a human in the decision-making loop remains crucial. The challenge is compounded when working with a new platform, as you often find yourself sifting through piles of documentation to get up to speed. Developers have been grappling with this issue for years, and various software vendors have attempted to streamline the learning process. One promising solution is the DocuSign Developer AI Assistant for VS Code, currently in beta. This tool aims to make the integration process smoother and more efficient. To get started, you'll need to install the DocuSign Developer AI Assistant extension from the Visual Studio Code Marketplace. Since it works alongside GitHub Copilot, you'll also need a GitHub Copilot license or trial, along with the GitHub Copilot extension. Once everything is set up, you can initiate a conversation with the Developer AI Assistant in the Copilot chat window by mentioning @DocuSign and signing into your DocuSign developer account. One of the primary benefits of using the Developer AI Assistant is its ability to enhance the discovery phase of your project. Unlike general-purpose LLMs, this AI is trained specifically on DocuSign's documentation and updates, ensuring that its recommendations are current and reliable. Instead of jumping straight into code generation, you can leverage the assistant to plan your integration strategy. For instance, suppose you want to integrate Salesforce with DocuSign but aren't familiar with the process. By describing your goals to the Developer AI Assistant, it can suggest appropriate APIs or tools, such as the DocuSign Apex Toolkit or Maestro workflows. If you're unsure about these concepts, the assistant can provide links to relevant documentation, guiding you through the learning process without overwhelming you with unnecessary details. Once you've chosen a path forward, the Developer AI Assistant can offer step-by-step instructions to help you implement your integration. This hands-on approach allows you to gain a deeper understanding of the platform while saving time on research. While vibe coding can be a powerful tool for rapid prototyping, it's essential to use it judiciously. For production integrations, it's wise to combine AI assistance with manual planning and research. This balanced approach ensures that your final product is both efficient and effective. Consider this. When you're ready to authenticate your integration, you can either rely on the Developer AI Assistant to generate the necessary code or use it as a learning resource to understand the different authentication methods available. For a prototype, generating an access token directly through the assistant can save you time and effort. In summary, while vibe coding has its merits, especially during the early stages of development, it's important to use AI tools strategically. By leveraging the DocuSign Developer AI Assistant and similar resources, you can navigate the complexities of integration with confidence and efficiency. What do you think? How do you balance AI assistance with manual coding in your projects?